In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a t-shirt in Canva. First, log into your Canva account, then go to the left sidebar and click this Create button. After that, go to the search bar, search for t-shirt, and click this t-shirt template. This will bring you to the editor page. Now, let's create the design. Go to the text tab on the left side of your screen, then scroll down a bit until you find the apps category. Click this Typecraft app and click Open to get started. Change the text to whatever you want. Then set the fonts, alignment, text spacing, and color. Then you can scroll down to add warp effects and outline effects. Once you're happy with the result, just click this Add to Design button. Then adjust the size and position of the text in the canvas. After that, you can add a star shape by going to the Elements tab on the left side of your screen, go to the Shapes category, and choose the star shape from these options. Set the position and size, right-click the shape, click Layer, and click Send Backward. Then you can go to the top toolbar to change the color or set the transparency. Once you've done designing, go to the top right and click the Share button. Click Download, choose File tab as PNG, enable transparent background, and click this purple download button. Upload the PNG to Canva by dragging it like this, then click Add Page, then go to Elements, search for T-shirt mockup, and choose the T-shirt mockup from these options. For example, I'm going to use this one, then just adjust the size and position. And after that, drag and drop the t-shirt design to the mockup. So that's how to design a t-shirt in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.